Hello, everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to link up your Powerschool gradebook with your Schoology gradebook. So, first thing you want to do is log into Powerschool. Click on Power Teacher Pro in the top left-hand corner. Okay. First thing you want to do is make sure that you add all of the categories that you need for your gradebook. So, you're going to head on over to the left side, click on Grading, navigate to Categories. And you're going to add all the categories that you wish to have in your gradebook for the marking period or the year. You can see I already have mine in here, but if you want to add a new category, you're going to navigate up to the top where the blue bar is. Click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner area. Click category. You're going to give it a name. So let's say we want to call this one assignments. Okay. You're going to select which classes you would like to apply this to, just like so. If you wish to change the color and color code them, you can do that as well. And then you're going to click save. Now, I'm not going to click save because I already have one named assignment, so I'm not going to do that, but you would go ahead and click save. And once you do that, it'll show up in this area here. And then you can see which classes it's assigned to and all of that. Okay, so once you have all of your categories created, okay, now we're going to set the weights for those categories. So you're going to head on over to settings on the left-hand side. You're going to click on traditional grade calculations. Okay, now mine are already set up. Yours might look a little bit different. Okay, so for every single marking period, so marking period 1, 2, 3, and 4, you need to set up the weighting for the categories. So you're going to come on over to the little pencil over here on the left to edit. We'll start with marking period 1. Okay. Again, mine are already added, so you may only have one category in here currently. So to add an additional category to this, you're going to click the little plus sign up here. You're going to change this to category weighting. And then you're going to open up this drop down menu and select the category that you'd wish to add. Okay. And then over here under weight, you're going to add the percentage that you want this category to count towards the student's final grade. Okay. And then once you're done, you'll go ahead and click save. So you're going to do this for every category. So if you have 5 categories, you're going to do it 5 times. And then make sure all your percentages add up to 100. And since I already have a projects category, I'm going to go ahead and just remove that one. All right. And then once you're done, you always click save at the bottom. All right. And just keep in mind, you need to do this for all 4 marking periods for every class. So marking period 1, 2, 3, and 4, you need to set up the weights. Okay. So now we're going to navigate over to Schoology. So we need to set this up in Schoology to match what we have in Powerschool. So you're going to go ahead, open up Schoology. All right, now that our gradebook is set up in Powerschool, we're going to set up the matching categories in Schoology and then link them together. So first thing we want to do is set up the categories in all of your classes. So we'll start with the first one here. You're going to go over to grade setup on the left. And what we're going to do is add all the categories, the same exact ones that you added in Powerschool, you're going to now add over here in Schoology. So start off by clicking the add button at the top. You're going to give your category a description. Leave it calculated to total points. If you wish to drop the lowest grade in that category, you may choose to do that. And then you're going to give it a weight. So I want my homework to count as 35% of the student's grade. And then I'm going to go ahead and click create. Okay. Now, since I already have my categories set up, I don't want to kind of mess anything up. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete the one I just added, just not to confuse anything. But you can see your percentages should add up to 100, should be the exact same weights and everything as they are in Powerschool. So if you didn't, when you went to create your category, if you didn't see an option to add a weight, you're going to go ahead and make sure that this box at the top here is checked off. Okay, if it's not checked off, you can see that they disappear. Once you check it, then you can also change your weights in this area as well too. Now that we have our categories added, we're going to go ahead and we're going to link it up to Powerschool. So once you add all of your categories in here, you're going to navigate over to the left and search for the icon that says Powerschool on the left side of your screen. Then at the top, you're going to click on Configuration. Now we're going to match up all of our Powerschool categories with categories in Schoology. Okay, so you can see mine are already set up. But all you have to do is, if you would like to add a new category, you're just going to click add, and it'll add another one. Okay, so you're just basically going to match up the categories in Schoology that you want to match up with the categories in Powerschool. So just go ahead and make sure they all match up together, just like so. And then when you're done, you click save. And then that will sync up your gradebooks. And just keep in mind that occasionally when you change your grades and everything, you just want to make sure that you come over to Powerschool and click sync changes, or else those changes will not show up in your Powerschool gradebook.